You'll quickly learn how to switch from light theme to dark on Copilot AI tool. Let's just get right into it. Let's start with the desktop version. It's pinned on the taskbar for all Windows 11 users. But if you can't find yours here, just click on Start, click inside this place, the search area, and type in Copilot, alright? It will show up as the best match, just click on it. So once it opens, the next step is to click on this settings icon here. Then you see these options, click on settings, this section where you have theme. Alright, you can see here system theme is selected and system theme is light theme. So click on this drop down and select dark. Alright, then close this. So with this, everything you are going to be doing here will be on the dark mode. What of a situation whereby you use the web version, you can still change to dark theme there. First thing, launch your web browser, and here I use Microsoft Edge. As the browser opens, visit copilot.microsoft.com. So I'll press enter. Take a good look at the bottom left. Alright, you will see your profile there. Just click on it. Then select settings. On this settings page, be on the preferences, alright. Then you will see the theme section. You can see day is selected. Day means light theme. Alright, so click on this drop down and select night. So once you select night, you can close this pop-up or interface, and everything you're going to be doing here will be on the dark theme. Okay, if this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment. You can scan this QR code here to get any of my books on information technology. It will help a lot. Thank you and see you some other time.